everybody and welcome back. I'm David James. If you're new to my channel, then awesome, welcome. I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out my other videos as well. If you're not new to my channel, then hey, how's it going? Good to see you again. Today I wanted to sing a song. This song was written by Alicia Keys, and it was a song that I first listened to back my freshman year of high school, so we're talking like fall 2001 through 2002. And at the time, I was feeling a lot of stuff that every teenager feels, I guess, and this song came out and it just really resonated with me, and as an adult, I enjoy the song. It kind of brings back, you know, a sense of peace, I guess, or a sense of, you know, strength and motivation, I suppose, to be myself and to not worry about whatever other people might be thinking. So ever since that year, that fall of 2001 and that spring of 2002, the world has kind of come out with this, you know, anti-bullying, or at least the nation anyway, has come out with this anti-bullying, be yourself, don't be afraid to have pride in yourself, have your own thoughts, lead your own life, be confident in who you are. And that's such a wonderful change from the way things used to be, where it was, you know, fall in line, keep yourself in check so that you fit in and you don't stand out. Whereas now it's like, I want pink hair, I'm gonna go do pink hair. I mean, if you can tell, I've got painted fingernails. While this is part of my costume for tomorrow for Halloween, it's still, I don't mind going out in public with painted fingernails, I don't care. You know, it's actually really cute, like matte blue, and then I'll use this finger. It's like an autumn purple, or like an eggplant purple, or a little bit lighter than that maybe. Anyway, I wanted to sing this song for you, for the people who still feel like they're marginalized, for the people who still feel like they have to be in the closet for whatever reason, for the people who are stuck in a job that if they're themselves, they might get fired or harassed, or anybody who just feels like they're caged, like they're trapped. And without further ado, here it is, Caged Bird by Alicia Keys. Right now I feel like a bird, caged without a key. Everyone comes to stare at me with so much joy and revelry. They don't know how I feel inside. Through my smile I cry. They don't know what they're doing to me, keeping me from flying. That's why I say that I know why the caged bird sings. Only joy comes from song. She's so rare and beautiful to others. Why not just set her free so she can fly, 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 spreading her wings and her song. Fly, 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 for the whole world to see. She's like a caged bird. Fly, fly, fly. Oh, just let her fly, just let her fly. fly, just let her fly. Spread wings, spread beauty. So, to those people who feel like they are trapped, like they are caged, like they are marginalized or oppressed or stuck or just whatever, if you feel like you're held back in any way, I urge you to be yourself, to know who you are, and to live your life honestly, to live your life openly, and to be as brave as you possibly can in whatever situation it is that you're in. Lead the life that you want to lead, never settle for less than you deserve, and everybody deserves to be who they are. Everybody deserves to have what they earn, to have what they work for. You are beautiful, you are wonderful, you deserve everything, all the happiness and the peace in the world. I love you guys, I will see you all next week. If you like this video, if you like this song, if you want to give a thumbs up for people to come out of the closet or to be able to be who they are in whatever situation that they're in, that would be awesome. It would be awesome if you would subscribe and follow me on my other social media. I will see you guys next week. I love you. Bye.